Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. In this class, we solve some problems. The very first problem. If Z belongs to C, it means Z is a complex number such that mod Z is equals to 1 and argument of Z is equal to theta, then find argument of 1 plus Z by 1 plus Z bar. Solution. Mod Z equal to 1, which means that Z is unimodulus. So mod Z is equals to 1. This implies mod Z square is equals to 1. This implies Z into Z bar is equals to 1. Therefore, Z bar is equals to 1 by Z. Consider 1 plus Z by 1 plus Z bar. This is equals to, here substitute Z bar as 1 by Z. So 1 plus Z by 1 plus 1 by Z, which is equals to Z into 1 plus Z by 1 plus Z. This is equals to Z. 1 plus Z get cancelled, which is equals to Z. Therefore, argument of 1 plus Z by 1 plus Z bar is equals to argument of Z, which is equal to theta. Second problem. Find the locus of Z. Find the locus of Z satisfying mod argument of Z minus pi by 2 is less than pi by 2. Solution. Consider mod argument of Z minus pi by 2 is less than pi by 2. This implies minus pi by 2 is less than argument of Z minus pi by 2 is less than pi by 2. This implies adding pi by 2 to this inequality, so which is 0 is less than argument of Z is less than pi. So this implies Z lies in the first quadrant or second quadrant. Second quadrant. Therefore, imaginary part of z is greater than 0. Therefore, the locus of z is z such that imaginary part of z is greater than 0. This is the second problem. Third problem. Find the principal mode amplitude. Find the principal mode amplitude form of tan theta minus I. So tan theta minus I, which is equals to, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, minus I, which is equals to sin theta minus I into cos theta whole by cos theta. This is equals to 1 by cos theta, which is equals to secant theta. So 1 by cos theta into sin theta minus I into cos theta. This is equals to secant theta into sin theta minus I cos theta. This can be expressed as cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta minus I into sin of pi by 2 minus theta, which is equal to cos theta. So sin cos of pi by 2 minus theta, cos theta, which is equals to sin of pi by 2 minus theta. So this is equals to secant theta into cis of minus of pi by 2 minus theta. This is equals to secant theta into cis of theta minus pi by 2. So this is the required principal mode amplitude form of tan theta minus I. Next problem, fourth one. If z is equals to I into log of 2 minus root 3 with base e, then find cos z. Solution. So what is given? Z is equals to I into log of 2 minus root 3 with base e. This implies, so this is z by I is equals to log of 2 minus root 3 with base e. This implies this is equals to minus Iz. multiplying and dividing by I. Iz by I square. I square value is minus 1. So minus Iz. So minus Iz is equals to log of 2 minus root 3 with base e. This implies 2 minus root 3 is equals to e to the power of minus Iz. Therefore 2 plus root 3 is equals to e to the power of Iz. So this is first equation, this is second equation. 1 plus 2 gives 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3, which is 4. This is equals to e to the power of I minus Iz plus e to the power of Iz. So this is equals to e to the power of minus Iz value is cos z minus I sin z plus e to the power of Iz value is cos z plus I into sin z. So this is equals to 2 cos z, which is equals to 4. This implies cos z is equals to 2. Cos z is equals to 2. Next, fifth problem. Find log of I. Find log of I. This is a simple problem. Take I, which is equals to 0 plus 1 into I, which is equals to cos pi by 2 plus I into sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value is 0, sin pi by 2 value is 1. So this is equals to e to the power of I pi by 2. This implies log of I is equals to log of e to the power of I pi by 2. This is equals to I into pi by 2 into log e with base e. So this is equals to I into pi by 2 into 1, which is equals to I pi by 2. So this is log of I. Next, sixth problem. Find log of a minus ib by a plus ib. Log of a minus ib by a plus ib. Solution. Log of a minus ib by a plus ib is equals to log of a minus ib minus log of a plus ib. log of m by n is equals to log m minus log n. This is equals to a logarithm of a complex number. This is equals to, see, since a minus ib is equals to r into cos theta minus I into sin theta, where r is equals to mod z, which is equal to square root of a square plus b square, a square plus b square. This is equals to r into e to the power of minus I theta, e to the power of minus I theta. Here theta is argument of z, which is equals to tan inverse b by a. So this is equals to log of e to the power of I minus I theta minus I theta minus log of e to the power of I theta. Here this is equals to r into, this is r into, this is r into. This is equals to log of r into e to the power of minus I theta minus log of r into e to the power of I theta. So this is log r plus log of e to the power of minus I theta minus log r minus of plus is minus log e to the power of I theta, plus log r minus log r get cancelled, and this is log of e to the power of minus I theta minus log of e to the power of I theta. So this is equals to minus I theta minus I theta, which is minus 2I theta minus 2I theta. This is equals to minus 2I. Theta is argument of z, which is defined as tan inverse of b by a. So tan inverse of b by a. Next problem. Seventh problem. If I to the power of dash dash infinite is equals to x plus iy, then find x square plus y square, x square plus y square. Solution. Suppose if I ignore the base, again it is I to the power of and so on. So which is equals to x plus iy. So I to the power of dash dash infinite is equals to x plus iy. This implies I to the power of x plus iy is equals to x plus iy. This implies taking log on both sides, log of I to the power of x plus iy is equals to log of x plus iy. This implies x plus iy into log I, which is equals to log of x plus iy. So this implies x plus iy into log I value, which is I pi by 2. So I pi by 2. This is equals to log of x plus iy. So this implies I into x pi by 2, I into pi by 2 into x plus I into I square, which is minus 1. So y pi by 2. This is equals to log of x plus iy. This is equals to log of a complex number, which is log of x, log r, square root of x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse y by x. In the left hand side it is a complex number, in the right hand side it is a complex number. So equating real parts on both sides, so this implies minus y pi by 2 is equals to log of square root of x square plus y square. This is with base e. So this is equals to square root of x square plus y square is equals to e to the power of minus y